Hey there, is your iPhone's personal hotspot grayed out or missing? This can be super annoying, especially when you need to share your internet connection in a pinch. Don't stress, in this video I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix the issue. Let's dive right in and get your personal hotspot back in action. Solution 1. Turn off restrictions. First, let's check if restrictions are causing the problem. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, turn off this feature by toggling it off. Finally, restart your iPhone and see if the personal hotspot option is back. Solution 2. Switch to a different SIM card. Sometimes the issue can be related to your SIM card. Start by ejecting your current SIM card from your iPhone. Then grab a secondary SIM card from another device. After that, insert this SIM card into your iPhone. Now check if the personal hotspot option is available. Note that some SIM cards might not support personal hotspot feature. Solution 3. Check cellular settings. Let's ensure your cellular settings are properly configured. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Cellular. After that, make sure cellular data is toggled on. If it's turned off, turn it on. Next, tap on Personal Hotspot. Now, check that Allow Others to Join option is enabled. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, resetting your network settings might help. Open the Settings app on again. Then, tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset and choose Network Settings. Confirm the action. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configurations, so you might want to have those handy. And that's it. By following these steps, your personal hotspot should no longer be grayed out or missing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.